Every time you upload a PDF to Claude, you're wasting tokens before you even type a single word. The fix is free, and you don't even need to install anything. There's a site called markitdown.online that runs Microsoft's Markdown engine right in your browser. Same conversion, zero setup. Let me show you. Just open your browser and go to markitdown.online. No sign up needed for a quick one-off conversion. You'll see a drag and drop box right on the home page. Now just drag your PDF straight into this box, or click to browse and select it. I'm using my sample report here. Hit convert and give it a few seconds. It's extracting the headings, the lists, the tables, all the actual structure, and stripping out everything else. And there it is, a clean Markdown preview right in the browser. Look at that. Proper headings, clean bullet points, no weird formatting junk. This is the exact same content as the PDF, just way lighter. Click download, and now you've got a .md file sitting in your downloads folder. That's it. No code, no terminal, nothing installed. Now, instead of uploading the original PDF, just drag in this Markdown file, or paste the text directly. Claude reads Markdown natively, actually understands it better than a raw PDF, and you've cut your token cost by a huge margin without losing any of the content. So the whole thing is 3 steps. Open markitdown.online, drag in your PDF, download the Markdown. No install, completely free. If this saved you tokens, drop a like, and I'll catch you in the next one.